Mark Hyatt here, founder of Your Networking Universe. And if you are receiving this video, that means that you are interested in joining a YNU group. So congratulations. I am happy to help you through this process, and that's what this video is designed for. So the first step is you want to go to www.yournetworkinguniverse.com, of course. And when you get here, you're going to notice that it says free profile at the top right next to sign in and find a group, and go ahead and click on free profile. Now, real quick here, what we're going to do is just fill in a free profile, and it has my information recognized, so that will make things a little bit quicker for us here. And I'm just going to use the email yournetworkinguniverse@gmail.com and the password of networking. So we go ahead and we fill this information out. This is just basic information for you. And what it does is it just creates a quick profile for you that anyone can do, whether you're joining a leads group or not. And after I do that, I'm going to get that I have an email with a confirmation link on it. So I want to then check my email. And normally these emails come very quickly. So I've done this a few times, so I have a few emails. Normally they come very quickly, and all you do is you go to the link here. You already know what your password is. You created it, so you just go to the link to confirm it. It brings you back to the sign-in page, and you then type in your email address that you used and your password. I think I might have done that wrong. And your password, and go ahead and click sign in. And if everything goes well, then you should be at this page. Now, if everything does not go well, please contact me. The best way to do that is info@yournetworkinguniverse.com, and just say, Mark, I'm trying to join and I'm having some challenges and I'm happy to help you. So that is certainly not a problem. Please do that if there's any problem with this. But normally after you create your free profile and you sign in again, you come to this. Now, I'm going to make your life a little bit easier here and have you do a quick step before we click on Join a Leads Group. So before you do that, click on Public Profile, Edit Professions. And here we're going to select your profession. Now, professions are in three different parts, basically, and we're very rarely going to use other both. So it's, do you sell a product or do you have a service? Now, typically, most people are going to have a service. We click on that, and this brings us to the first category of services that we have here, and then there's going to be subcategories under these. So you might be in the banking services, for example, in which case you could be a commercial banker, personal banker, and so on. You might be a consultant, in which case you could be one of many types of consultants out there. We're going to call ourselves a management consultant for the sake of this exercise. So we've added our profession now. Great. Now let's click on Join a Leads Group. All we have to do here is join the correct group. Make sure you talk with your group and understand, am I East Portland or East Side Referrals? Make sure you get the correct group in there. And then we click on one. Let's say we are joining Lake Oswego Professionals, and we click Submit. And then it's going to give us a bunch of information to fill out. This is basically the application that you are going to fill out in order to join the group. So go ahead and fill all of that information out, and then click Next, and it's going to take you on to the next step. Now, some groups have references that you might fill out. Some groups have you fill out a questionnaire. So each group's a little bit different. So make sure you go through this whole process before you stop. So don't stop and then think I'm going to go back to it, because unfortunately I have to go in and delete what you've done so far, and we have to restart you. So once you start, just finish the process, get it done, and then you've applied. And what happens is that the board of directors for the group that you're interested in joining receives that application, votes on it, you get an email confirmation that you've been accepted, and we go from there, and you get to find out all the wonderful benefits of being a Your Networking Universe member. So thank you for your time. Thank you for your interest in Your Networking Universe, and I look forward to seeing you down the road. Mark Hyatt with Your Networking Universe.